I'm Amy from the Brantford Public Library with another STEAM challenge. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make this fun helicopter flyer. For this project, you will need cardboard or heavy paper, something for the center, like a skewer or a stick, hot glue or tape to attach your center, something for the handle. I'm going to use this fast food straw. It just needs to be big enough that your center fits in it and can spin around. String, scissors, and any art supplies you want to decorate your flyer. We'll start by cutting out a propeller shape from the cardboard or paper. Try experimenting with different sizes and shapes to see what works best. Once we have our shape cut out, we'll need to poke a hole in it and attach our center. Your center will need to be tight enough to spin with the propeller. So apply a little hot glue. You may have to get a parent to help you with this one, or some tape to hold it in place. Once your center is secure, take the ends of your propeller and twist them in opposite directions to create a little bend. This will create a better area for air to push off and make your flyer fly. Now you can decorate it any way you like. The flyer will fly best if the propeller is pushing against the air as it spins. To find out which direction your flyer should spin to fly best, spin it in your hand like this. When you find the direction that blows air on your hand, that is the direction that will fly best. Take some string and wrap it around your center in the same direction that you want your spinner to fly. So for me, it's clockwise like this. Once you have the string wrapped around the center, put your flyer into your handle. Now, when you pull the string, it will spin your flyer and hopefully launch it into the air. Let's go outside and give it a try. Thanks for watching. For more fun activities you can do at home, be sure to visit our home-based activities page on our website at brantfordlibrary.ca. And to make sure you don't miss any of our videos, click subscribe.